Hey, so you're in at 27.28. I almost like it as a 1 minute, but with these clear roads up to 45 looks pretty good. It's at 29.30 now. It just was down in the 20s. Just hit low of 21 just now, like what, 2 candles ago? All right, 25.7. Let me give it a second because we got the white zone shrinking. Kind of looks funky. The 5 minute looks a little better. Got the L1, L7 cross on Euro Yen. Don't know if anyone took that when it happened, but that put out about 30 pips. Well, its low to its high was 37 pips to 06 to 43. I'm not saying you're going to get every pip. There was definitely pips to be made at the L1, L7 cross on the 5 minute. Euro Yen's give me a 1 minute trend trade entry. Okay. This is where you would normally look and say, hey, you know, I'm not so sure because normally I like it to be making solid higher highs and higher lows. But we do have clear roads, and I could very well give this a go. It's early in the session. I can always add at the 5 minute box. We're at 21.22. It alerted me at 22.23. We're at 22.23 again. Let me go ahead and give it a shot. I like the roads on this. All right, I'm in and filled at 24. I'll type it in. It's a 1 minute entry, so for you guys looking for a more conservative entry, you know, you might want to wait. I got a 24 entry at the 1 minute boxes. 1 minutes are leading the other time frame boxes. There's an hour. 15 is way down. So the head is leading, and we've got clear roads up to 45. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I'll add around 17. Or if maybe I'll be patient and kind of wait for it to break below 17, closer to 11.12, because 11.12 is kind of what I want to use for my stop. I mean, I could always use big figure. That put me over a 20 pip stop on this on a 1 minute trend trade. Often you need bigger stops, which is why they're a riskier trade. E-shot got in at 25, and it's risky entry, no question about it. You know, it's 1 minute. We're already floating down to the 5 minutes here. What's this previous low? 6. That's a swing low. I mean, that's really where, you know, if you know it breaks that, you're going down. Yeah, so that's exactly what I was saying. You know, some people won't be comfortable with 1 minute entries. So for those, you would want to wait, and that's the advantage of having moderators going out on a limb and making calls to say, hey, he got in at 24. If I see 19, I'll take it. I'm in the same position. I got a better entry than he did. Here's 16.18. Now I'll go ahead and put something else on it around 12. That's our 15 minute L7. Look, here's the 5 minute alert now. I'm gonna let this come on down and just use this alert as an ad on this. All right, so we got a 5 minute entry. If you look at the 5 minute chart, we're holding at this green line. We're at 15.17. I'll just put it right there for now. I'll just leave it there for when I'm ready to put something on it, which is close. It's back to 16.18. Here's 17 again. So you're gonna get a nice little second entry, that's for sure. Here's 14.15. Well, it's still going lower. Here's 11.12. All right, this is the L7 on the 15 minute. I'm going to definitely do it here. Here's 11.12. I'm in. All right, at 12. All right, there's my position. I'm in long at 12. I got an L7 and a 1 minute white zone with the head of the snake leading up. That's a nice entry right there. I like that. You know, better would be 0.0. That's the next level down. I also have one from 24. That's up a bit. That's at the stretched out entry. So I'll be looking to make a move back up there, probably getting out of that initial entry close to break even. But let's give it a few minutes to breathe here. We're in at 12. We're up back to 16, 17 now. Here's 18. All right, back to 19. Excuse me. Here's 20. All right, I'll tell you what. Here's 21. Here's 22. I'll tell you what. I'm going to exit at 22 from 12. That's 10 from 12. And it's going to hang on for a quick second here. All right, Billy took 10 on that in flat. All right, everyone's doing a little management there. I'm at 22 again, -2 on this euro yen. I think that's going to do it for me, though. I'm going to take the -2 and bail. All right, so ended up taking +8 on the two positions from the alert. You know, probably could have hung on maybe a little bit longer to try to get that above the 1 minute box, but you know, I figured 8 pips isn't bad. We got that first entry, which was right on the edge, and that's what 1 minute trends do sometimes. Sook pointed out we didn't have a higher high on the 1 minute, so more than likely didn't have a great chance of working out. Here's cable given a 1 minute trend trade. Ooh, and it's near the white zone. It's a white zone entry.